Is the Anker Nano 45W charger actually worth the $30 price tag? I put it to the test, and here's my honest, lightning-fast review. First off, the size. This thing is ridiculously small. It's about the size of an ice cube and 47% tinier than the last-gen 30W brick. It'll slide into your pocket, your backpack, or even that tiny gap behind your nightstand, thanks to foldable prongs that tuck flat against the wall. Now, let's talk features. The real star is the smart display. It gives you real-time wattage, battery percentage, and even recognizes which iPhone you're charging. It's like finally seeing what your charger's actually doing, instead of just hoping for the best. For iPhone 15 and up, you'll love this. If you're still rocking an older phone though, the display is less impressive. Performance? It turbocharges an iPhone 17 Pro to 50% in just 20 minutes, and it's strong enough to top up a MacBook Air, while staying gentle enough for AirPods. But what really sets it apart is Care Mode. Double tap the button, and it cuts heat by up to 9 degrees for safer overnight charging. This isn't just marketing fluff, TUV certified, so it actually does help protect your battery long term. So, what's the catch? It's a single port charger. You can only juice up one device at a time, and the smart features, like model recognition, only work on the latest iPhones and iPads. Also, no USB-C cable in the box. The price is a bit steep too, compared to basic chargers. Here's my quick verdict. If you want the smallest, smartest charger for your iPhone 15 or newer, especially if you travel or care about battery health, it's worth it. But if you just charge overnight and never look at stats, or need to charge a bunch of devices, you can probably skip it. Bottom line, the Anker Nano 45W isn't for everyone, but if you're a tech enthusiast who values battery life and transparency, it's a smart buy.